The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Vilas County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mercer, or 9 miles northeast of Turtle Flambeau Flowage, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winchester around 6:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Van Vliet Hemlock's natural area, Manitowish Waters, Big Lake Campground, Empress Kyle. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Vilas, Wisconsin,